Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk a bit about dermaplaning and what my benefits were that I've been experienced the last couple of times of doing it, and how I do it at home without it costing me an arm and a leg. Dermaplaning is when you kind of just scrape off all of the dead skin and peach fuzz from your face using either a scalpel or some of these facial razors. I've been using them to also shave my eyebrows, which are in dire need of shaving again. It may cause a little bit of redness and swollen skin because you're kind of like scraping off the first layer of skin, which is only dead cells, so which is okay. They say that eating and talking may be difficult, but I've never experienced it being difficult to eat or talk after dermaplaning. Like, you're not supposed to take off all of the layers of skin, just the first one. Anyway, you may also feel like a tingling or burning sensation, and swelling and scabbing may occur. No, I've never experienced swelling. I have experienced a burning sensation, but that was because I didn't do it correctly the first time. I was still learning. But the benefits of dermaplaning is that it works kind of as an exfoliant. So you're going to take off all the dead skin, so it's going to leave your skin smoother. It's going to prevent breakouts. You may get some breakouts, let me just say that. You may get some breakouts. I got them especially over here, like my mustache area, okay? So you may experience some breakouts, but in the long run, they will prevent breakouts. So it kind of works as an exfoliant. Or it is an exfoliant, not kinda, it is an exfoliant, okay? And you also remove all of the facial hair, so no dirt can get stuck between your face and your facial hair, which in the long run would be better for your face, your skin face. Oh, also for someone who wears makeup daily, and I do a full face of makeup every day, I found that my makeup looks a lot smoother. There's a splotchiness, it lasts longer, you name it, it doesn't. You can also, I do it about once a month, maybe once in 2 months. I've never experienced my hair growing back thicker or darker. I do, however, have like a couple of hairs on my chin. I'm actually a male. I do have some hair on my skin which is like really thick dark hair. I have done it a bunch of times. I've also, since I started doing it with my eyebrows, I've noticed that I don't have to shave my eyebrows as often. So I'm going to take you in close up to my skin, and then I'll show you what the face looks like close up. Well, hello there. Haven't seen you in a while. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what my skin, all that fuzziness. Okay, so as you can see, I have like a bunch of fuzz over here. And then also my chin, you'll see that there's one of those bastards that keep coming back. So you can see all that fuzz, and this lovely bad boy I have been carrying around for days. I tell you. So I also washed my face before I started filming, but just to ensure that my face, oh my gosh, there's hair everywhere. I am going to be using the Garnier Skin Active Mineral Cleansing Water, even for sensitive skin. Okay, so I'll be using this baby together with a cotton pad, just to ensure that my face is as clean as I think it is. You're gonna need this facial blade. Some of the places that I saw call them a bikini shaver, if I'm not mistaken. And now take your razor and a mirror, because you don't want to shave off your face. So you're just like gonna scrape up. Oh my gosh. Be sure not to nick yourself. So you'll see that there's like small hair. Now dead skin, and which I'm spraying all over my house now. Dead skin and also peach fuzz. But babies, this is all facial hair, and also there's dead skin trapped in this. Bye, Blackberry. I've shaved both sides of my face, so no more peach fuzz, baby. I did, however, carve myself over here. It's not that cool. Okay, so as soon as we're finished, we're just gonna take another cotton pad, and again, oh, it's stuck in there, and again some micellar water, and we're just gonna clean our face. Not recommend you doing dermaplaning at home if you have bad acne skin or an extremely sensitive skin. Then I would recommend you going to a professional to sort this out for you. After I've cleaned my face again with the micellar water, I'm just going to go in with this Moroccan Argan Oil body oil spray just to put some moisture back into my skin. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my skin just to put that moisture back into it. After all, we did just take the first layer of skin off. Also, another really important thing that you have to remember is do not go into the sun for the next day, as you've just taken off the first layer of skin and you don't want to get any permanent scarring or hyperpigmentation. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Please be sure to hit that like button down below and also the subscribe button. It will really help me a lot. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!